At Regional Medical Center, one of a series of community meetings planned to lay out how President Trump's so-called Big Beautiful Bill could impact services. Santa Clara County officials say the county is facing up to a $1 billion cut in its health care funding over the next few years. That's because of cuts to Medicaid in the legislation President Trump signed on July 4th.
That is not a cut that we can budget through.
Santa Clara County Supervisor Betty Young says the cuts will directly affect 450,000 residents in the county, but the ripple effects could impact many more.
450,000 people no longer have access to health care. That means that they're going to use our emergency rooms. That means ambulances are going to be tied up. That means there are no longer going to be enough beds for everybody.
Latinas Contra Cancer is a nonprofit in San Jose helping people in underserved communities face cancer. They tell us the cuts would impact them and their 1,500 patients a year.
Any cuts to Medi-Cal are going to impact all of the people that we serve. And these are people who are currently cancer patients, people who are currently cancer survivors, caregivers, people who are trying to access detection and screenings. This is just going to be an across-the-board hit.
County leaders say every hospital and clinic will be touched, along with a number of assistance programs.
Medicaid is a federal program, but it has state participation as well. And California's implementation is called Medi-Cal. There are choices that the state now can make, the legislature and the governor, on how to soften those edges. The state has the opportunity to mitigate rather than exacerbate those cuts, and we're calling on our state leadership to do exactly that.
Meantime, the county will continue to host these meetings to bring awareness and get the community involved in its plea to the state.
Wasteful spending is a $5 trillion tax break to billionaire corporations that don't need those extra dollars. Wasteful spending is not making sure that people are healthy, that babies are born in good health, that mothers deliver safely.
Jocelyn Moran, NBC Bay Area News.